guys, thank you so much for 10 subscribers. For that, we're going to do an unboxing video of hatchimals.
But not just a normal unboxing.
We're going to kill these things.
They're kind of scary. But first, let me take a selfie.
With Santa. Right, let's watch the lengthy process of me opening this. 1 second. Look away, I've got a teeth.
Oh, look at that. Oh, hatchimals, not spawn. Yeah, not sponsored.
Hashtag not spawn.
I'm not sponsored, yeah. Plus, shout out to Simple Flips.
Yeah, shout out to Simple Flips and Cringe Master Boy. He's awesome.
Go subscribe to him, because he has 27 subscribers.
Or 28, I can't remember.
One of those.
He's got a few.
Go subscribe to him, because make sure, give him 30 subscribers. That's going to be his new milestone. You got to open. Put it right here.
Yay! Let's kill it.
Die.
Open.
Please.
Wait, is it
Keep
just
it
the box?
here, bro. Keep it here.
Is it just the box? Keeping it here. It's not opening. How do you open this thing?
There.
Oh!
Unopen.
Oh, look, a little baby. Are you my... Right. Now I'm going to do what I wanted to do. Ah, look at the little thing. Die! That was hilarious. Let's see how much damage you can do to this thing.
My God.
No! Let's kill it some more. Santa. Let's kill it.
No.
Yes. Fine, we'll open this thing, kill them together. Sorry if my finger got on the way.
Let's try that again, okay?
I think it opens like this. Look. Like a wee bed. You're supposed to take off the cover. just teeth it while we have a dance party with Santa. We're just trying to get this video to 10 minutes, so and look at when my baby walks, she goes like this. When my baby walks, she goes like this. Yay, fun! Now just hit it until it opens. Oh, first try. Right, now let's get these two wimps together. 3, 2, 1. Die! Oops. Die! Rex drops.
Where did the other one go?
I don't know.
We have this
Where
one.
did my son go? Or daughter? I'm not assuming it's gender. Please don't trigger me 2017. I need to get triggered at me. Just don't hate me. You see this guy?
This guy's mine now.
Okay, I steal yours then.
I steal your baby.
How about we kill him like this? Like,
Suffocate.
we'll kill you with what birth kit.
Suffocate.
Wait, you know how in the stores they have wee eggs of this?
Yeah.
Does that mean they went to wherever this thing's mum is, stole its eggs and sold them? If so, I want to know where it lives. Cause I'm... Wait, that's sharper. 1 second.
Let's have a dance party while we wait. Sorry about that. Yes,
let's do it.
I did, my lord. No, that was my baby. You did your baby.
This was my baby. Oh, I actually made a hole. Sweet. Hole made. Kill him.
You just look so
Stem at the box. His face is like crushing. Nope.
That's like, bro.
I think he might be dead. Brutal knife attack.
But yeah, okay. That's
Okay.
No, I want to keep my
Time
baby.
to
My
kill
baby. I
yours.
like my baby.
No, it's dying.
No, let's just abuse this one because I don't.
Yeah,
like
let's
that
just kill it.
one. Just abuse it.
Let's put a bulldog pin in it. Where should we do this? Right
its
on
butt.
its tail. Right on its tail. Let's just put bulldog pins all over it.
Yeah, bulldog challenge.
The bulldog challenge.
I'll hand them to you.
Yeah.
That
On
was
its
your
wing.
And I
Do I have any staples left? Oh, we
Here.
stapled it. I swear if I had any staples left, I would have stapled it.
I actually kind of like mine, to be honest. It's nice.
Remember those adverts where they're like, my love makes it ready to hatch? They just like prod straight through it.
Like,
My love makes it ready to hatch.
my love makes it ready
It's like,
to hatch.
right, it's like this. Look, this is the adverts that we see on TV. So it's like, my love make it ready to hatch. It's a girl. How can you tell? Yeah.
Bulldog clips!
Bulldog challenge. Wait, that one was already started. How can you tell if it's a girl? Did you just assume its gender?
There's another one.
I think those guys on TV assumed it's
Put
gender.
on its nose.
I don't think it fits our
Nipples!
There's nipples.
They have belly button.
We're gonna get demonetized for saying nipples, aren't we?
Put it on there. Put it on its feet.
We got demonetized for saying nipples.
No, put it on its feet.
No, you know what? We're gonna get demonetized for animal cruelty, aren't we?
That's not even an animal.
I know. But remember that time, that time Dan
Put it on
CDM
the
killed a
feet.
hatchimals with a fire the machine of fire throwing. I said like the Starfire.
Put it on its feet.
With a flamethrower, and it practically got demonetized.
With
And
its
he was
eyeballs.
playing Surgeon Simulator, and that got like. And does this look painful to you?
Let's put on the other ear. Yay!
Yay! Let's just use all the bulldog pins on
Put
it.
it on its feet. Next.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. You.
You look so funny. This is
Hopefully you
animal
like
cruelty.
this. If you like it, then you're a sick animal cruelty. Well, welcome to the club, I guess.
No, its brother's just looking at it in shock.
Like, mother.
Mom, why are you doing this? Well, I didn't actually
This
like
is technically his cousin.
I didn't actually like him anyway.
Rex Scrub. Right, now let's get one.
On its hair.
I've already done that. Look.
Like, more.
I'll eat more, If you're a theatre fan, you get that joke. Or if you're a fan.
There.
Right, so we have two more. Where should we put it?
No.
I got it. The most painful place. Your cheeks. Ooh, that would sting, wouldn't it?
Bro, we have another two. Look.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see them.
What should they do?
Finally, we're at 7 minutes.
Sorry about that. We just have to get.
Yay, great camera quality. And the winner of the Oscar is, what's your name? Oh yeah, Mega Hot Sauce with camera.
Turtle!
Master Turtle with camera quality. I changed from Taco King to Doomed Assassin. If Hatchimals could speak, I'll just like if have you seen that one where it's like if then it shows like a chainsaw. If have you seen that? Have you seen that video where the guy goes like if and then
Its brother's like,
there's a
I
chainsaw.
actually don't like him, so die. Just die,
Go
brother.
die in a hole.
Go die in a hole, cousin. We're done. Let's go throw him against the wall now.
Okay.
Let's go to that wall. No,
Yeah.
that wall.
That one.
No, put him in the hoop.
Right, let's see if we can get him in the hood. There he goes. Rex Scrub.
Oh my god. You meant to get him in like that and give him
Okay.
a hot tub.
Let's go. Die! You just see a flash of pink and then death.
I got a joke for you guys. What do you get? What do you get when you mix a T-Rex and a chicken? Nothing but death. Ha 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 ha! Give us kind laughter. Ha 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 ha!
I don't remember asking your mom to laugh or not.
Oh yeah, that's such a good laugh. Keep going.
Cold laugh, I guess. Didn't you get? Because when you have... Die!
Oh my
For
god.
my bad jokes, you must be punished!
It landed!
For my bad jokes, you must be punished!
Throw it against the wall right there.
Wait. Alley-oop! Rex Scrub.
Okay,
I'll
my
give you
turn.
that
My turn to throw it. Okay,
Right,
hold the camera.
What? It was just like that. You could just see your
That
chin.
way. That way. Let's go 1, 2, 3. I'm good. I'm good.
Sorry, I dropped.
fun.
Wait, we need to swap positions so I can just record the wall. Wall recording, yay!
It's so fun. Oh my god, look at that.
Oh god.
Look at all that chicken.
Help me, please! No! By the way, if you're furry watching this video, demonetized! Let's have a look at him. You know what, let's just pin it all in his hair.
Wait 1 second.
Wait, now back to Santa Cam. Ding, ding, ding.
Making a list of chicken and rice.
Yeah, that we watched this misheard lyric, Christmas lyrics, and it was, he's making a list of chicken and rice. And Feliz Navidad was, police, mom and dad. Or, there's fleas on me, dad.
No, give us some frickin' pudding.
Now give us some frickin' pudding. Now give...
Yeah, it was a frickin' pudding.
Right, well, I think we've killed it enough, so... Any last... Wait, where is he? Any last words, punk? Help me, please. And cut.